So basically this is the view from my room, which is a cubicle here, as you can see. And there are these cubicles. These are wooden completely. And if you want, you can take a room in these ones as well. So yeah. And there's the ocean. Here you can see. That's the pool and that's the ocean. It's about to rain, I guess. So, but anyways, so now let me take you inside of this cubicle. So here you enter. There are slippers. Here's this cutlery and tea set. There's a tiny refrigerator. There is the washroom, really clean and tidy, well lit as well. And here's the cozy little bedroom, very beautiful, as you can see. And there's me. Hey, oh hey buddy, how you doing? So yep. And here's the cupboard, obviously. You open it, you have a safe there as well, and the pillow covers and everything. So yep. And there's the back window. So yep, that's about it. You can also shut the door if you want to. You can shut it, like, I think it's jammed, but yeah. And there's a TV. There's a remote. And there's a closet there as well. Here's a tiny sofa. And there's my bag. So yeah. Here's the door. And the beautiful breeze. Okay, so from my spherical room, the wooden one, I have been transferred into this. I've been basically upgraded to this room on the first floor of this hotel. They have like 2 buildings and other properties. So as you enter, there's this aqua blue door. Very nice. And here's me. Hi. And also the slippers, actually, these slippers, they're provided by the hotel itself. So that's pretty cool. On this side, you have the washroom, which is pretty tidy and neat. And all the toiletries in here. This is the sink. Hi. So let's shut this down. Okay. As you move forward, here's a counter. I put my stroller, 1 pair of slippers, all of my stuff, water bottles, kettle, phone, and my towel, safe. Here is a bed, and there is a window, and there's another window in the backyard. Oh, there are cherries. And this side window looks directly at the ocean. Yep. Very amazing. So I'm going to the beach now. Let's go. Oh, and it's an AC room. There is the air conditioner. So, yep, I'm not forgetting anything, I guess. Here's the outside.